Hello everyone! Welcome again to Math Saya. I'm your teacher for today, Teacher Dennis, reminding you, in math, we find solutions to every problem. Today, we will solve a science test problem, calculating an average score using Polya's 4-step method. Are you ready? Here's the problem. In Milen's school, her science teacher gives tests that are marked out of 100. Milene has an average of 60 marks on her first 4 science tests. On the 5th test, she got 80 marks. What is the average of Milene's marks in science after all the 5 tests? Let us apply the Polya's method to solve the problem. Step 1. Understanding the problem. We are given that Milene's average for her first 4 tests is 60. There are 4 tests in total before the 5th one, and the score for the 5th test is 80. So what is being asked? We need to find the average of Milene's mark in science after all 5 tests. Step 2. Devise a plan. To solve this problem, we will use the formula for finding the average. The average is equal to the sum of all the scores divided by the total number of tests. Step 3. Carry out the plan. First, we find the total score for the first 4 tests by multiplying the average, 60 by 4. So 60 times 4 equals 240. Next, we add the score from the 5th test, which is 80. So 240 plus 80 equals 320. Finally, we divide the new total score, 320, by the total number of tests, which is 5. 320 divided by 5 equals 64. So, Milene's new average after all 5 tests is 64. Step 4. Look back and check. Let's check if our solutions is correct. Since the total score is 320 and there are 5 tests, dividing 320 by 5 gives us 64. This matches our calculated average. Therefore, the solution is correct. Milene's new average is 64. Now it's your turn. Apply Polya's 4 steps to solve this problem. Were you able to get the correct answer? Excellent!